Our GB500 Fat Tire is the strongest bike in the market. Bike is full suspension, has rear 500-watt B-Fung motor, allows for an incredibly smooth ride that can go up to a speed of 20 miles per hour for as long as 90 miles for only a single battery charge. Biggest battery in the market, Samsung 48-volt 15.6 amp. Bike is foldable and has special magnet to keep both folded parts connected. Shimano Tourney 6 gear. Our bikes are the only ones to have rear turning signals and brake light, all controlled from the handlebar. Green Bike USA bikes are manufactured to prioritize safety by making both lights controlled by the display. The LCD display of the GB500 Fat Tire includes all the necessary functions: speedometer, distance, 9 levels of pedal assistance, and battery life, and a USB exit so you can charge any of your electronic devices. Bike has 3 modes: regular bike, 9 pedal assist, or only throttle. And Tektro disc brakes.